In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Obsidian with iCloud. In order to do this, you're going to use your Mac or any of your iOS device. So I'm going to use my iOS here. So on my iPhone, so just open up Obsidian on your iOS device. Okay. So when you open up, you'll get to this screen here. So you can either create a vault or use your existing vault. I'm going to create a vault. So click on create a vault. And then here, you're going to click on setup sync. Okay, when you click on setup sync, so here what you have to do is you have to choose how do you want to sync this. So in this case, we're going to sync it with iCloud. In that case, you go to select this second option here, use iCloud. Okay, so you select iCloud option here and then click on use iCloud, and now you can give a name to your vault. So for example, let's say I'll just give any name to your vault, hit on create vault, and that's it. Your vault is now open. You can now start using this, and all these files will be synced to your iCloud with your iCloud, whatever you have signed in with. And that's basically pretty much it is.